You searched how to buy shares of EOG Resources Inc. EOG Resources Inc. is an American oil and gas exploration and production company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EOG, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker EOG to find the listing. Make sure you select EOG Resources Inc. from the results to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the right EOG listing. Verify the name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker match before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to trade, review the order details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the market reopens, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your EOG position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore their platform.